Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to remove your Google account and Samsung account or Samsung account on your Samsung Galaxy A17. So if you want to remove your Google or Samsung account, go to the settings. It is worth doing that before resetting the phone if you're planning on selling the phone, so you're sure that the phone won't be locked to you and there won't be any problems. And to do it, you should go to settings, then accounts and backup, and manage accounts. Now you'll see there is my Google account and there is my Samsung account. So if I want to remove the Samsung account, let's click on it and then click on remove account, remove. And now you can select what do you want to do with your contacts. You can keep your profile in the contacts app after you sign out if you want by selecting this little circular button. You'll see that your cards will be deleted in Samsung Wallet, Find My Mobile won't be available and stuff like that, and then click on sign out. I will actually cancel it because I don't really want to sign out, but this is how you do it. And for Google, click on the Google account, then click on the remove account and remove, and it'll sign you out as well. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.